A good way to learn English is by reading books, documents, or anything else while consulting their translation in your native language and their phonetic transcription in the International Phonetic Alphabet. This way, you can learn the meaning and pronunciation of unknown words that you come across while reading. For this you can utilize for free this program that I created myself, which automatically translates and transcribes any digital book or document in English, in parallel while you are reading it. That is, it allows you to read documents or books along with the translation and the phonetic transcription simultaneously or in parallel. It is a desktop application that you simply download and run. You don't need to install it or anything. It's not even necessary to connect to the internet to be able to use it. The only thing that needs internet is the translation, but if you are only interested in the subject of pronunciation you can disable it. Needless to say that the program can make mistakes or fail, and it may need improvements and corrections. In the description section of the video you can find the link to download the program. It's free, without restriction, although you can always donate. I came up with this program while working on another one that focuses on the automatic creation of phonetic transcriptions for learning pronunciation. I will also link you to it in the description in case you are interested. It is much more advanced with regard to phonetic transcriptions and will help you correctly interpret the ones from this program. So, a phonetic transcription is a text where a system of written representation of the sounds of a language is implemented. It is utilized to visually indicate how words are pronounced regardless of their normal spelling in the language. Phonetic transcriptions are in my opinion indispensable for mastering the pronunciation of the English language. Obviously you have to listen and speak too, that is also indispensable, but without phonetic transcriptions it will be much more difficult for you to achieve your goal of pronouncing correctly. Anyway, the International Phonetic Alphabet is the most used standard symbology for representing pronunciations of languages, as it is based on the sounds of human speech. So if you already know how the International Phonetic Alphabet works, you'll be able to interpret the phonetic transcriptions. If not, I recommend that you research it and learn to read it. It can be a bit intimidating, but it's worth understanding its use. On this occasion I'm using version 0.5 of the program, which is the most recent at the time of making this video. When you open it, you'll see these two buttons at the bottom. Click the one that says Open and select a TXT, DOCX, PDF, or EPUB type file to import it into the program. Here, what is done is extracting the text, dividing it into parts, which we can call pages, that you can go through with the buttons that say Previous to go back and Next to move forward. When you open your file, the page you'll be reading, that is, the text fragment, will appear in the center box, along with other text boxes. The one above will display the phonetic transcription of the text in question and the one below will display the translation in the language that you select in the settings. By default it will be in Spanish. To configure the program according to your preferences, you must click the button that says Configure. There you can change several things like the font or the size. Anyway, I hope you find it useful. The link to download it is in the description.